Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a rare and unique little tractor here. This is a 1999 New Holland 3430 utility tractor. Tractor has 557 original hours, and I'll repeat that, 557 original hours. This tractor was sold new at a local New Holland dealer. Had that all verified. I know the man that owned this tractor. He only ever had a brush hog on the back of it. Tractor is in very nice shape. It did set out the last couple of years of its life, but we did wash and wax everything. It is a nice, clean, straight tractor. Probably one of the cleanest you'll ever find. So we're going to start walking around this tractor. We'll start you right up front here. 4.3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. No noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that. We have had this in the shop. We've fully serviced it. You can see there, engine oil is super clean. I did use all Napa brand filters, 3166 fuel filter, water separator we cleaned out. Does have the factory New Holland toolbox here, but engine compartment, everything there is very nice and clean. Okay, there was a throttle spring here bad and a brake spring that was stretched, so we went ahead and replaced those. Underneath the hood here on the front bonnet, you can see everything there is nice and clean. Both air filters are replaced. Tractor up here, all lights work, grill is nice and straight. And you can tell that this tractor was used, just as I said, for brush hogging, because you can see the paint's wore on the front axle underneath, okay? Tires up front are original, approximately 60%, 750 by 16s. In the back, 13.628s, Goodyears, both matched. Side step getting in the tractor is nice. There is a little ding here in it. Other than that, you can take a look here at the clutch pedal. You can just go ahead and call me a liar, make yourself be the judge. But this is original tractor. It has not been repainted. We'll show you a close up there of the dash. 557 tack works. Seat is excellent condition. This just has the standard transmission in it. 540 PTO. Fenders are beautiful. 4 ways, rear work light, headlights all work. Does have the folding roll bar. And you can see here, tractor has Cat 1 3-point hitch. Look at the drawbar. You can take a look at the hole. You can see hasn't been used much at all, if ever. 540 PTO. PTO cap is in the toolbox. Really a nice, clean tractor. Original tractors like this, they don't build anymore. Just a nice, heavy tractor. So I'm gonna fire us up. Want to run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. go. This tractor starts, runs, works, handles just like a dream. I have a Ford 3000 diesel we use here at home, and I have a TN60DA. But I do like this little tractor. It really has good power. I like transmission setup. It's got the 28-inch tire on it. So it's just a nice, clean, original tractor. You look long and hard to find one like this. If you have any questions, please call us, 814-658-3066. I feel like price this tractor very reasonable in the market for what it is. It's a nice, clean piece. So, again, 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company as always. Thanks for checking us out. Have a good day.